Here's how to quickly find all the hidden background apps running on your Android device. Let's go. First, open your Settings app. Scroll all the way down until you see About Phone and tap it. On the next screen, look for Software Information. Open that, and now find the option called Build Number. This is the important part. Tap Build Number 7 times in a row. Yes, 7. Your phone will ask for your PIN, enter it, tap Continue, and you'll get a warning telling you developer settings are being turned on. Just hit OK. Now back out to the main settings page. Scroll to the bottom again, and you'll see a brand new menu item, Developer Options. Open it. Inside this huge list of advanced settings, look for Running Services. It's usually near the top or around the middle depending on your phone. Tap Running Services, and now you'll see everything your phone is running in the background. Apps, services, system processes, memory usage, pretty much the whole list. If you spot an app you don't want running, tap on it. You'll get a screen showing exactly what it's doing and how much memory it's using. Hit Stop to shut it down instantly. Just be careful not to stop essential system services, your phone needs those. And that's it. You've just unlocked developer mode and revealed every hidden background app on your device. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more fast Android tips.